Question 1 is 5 marks. It's 3 parts, A, B. It's just 2 parts, part A and B. The first part says factorize fully. When it says factorize, it means what's in here and here at the same time. The first thing I know is there is a C here and there, so we'll put this 3 outside. And also, if you look at the 18, it's 9 times 2, isn't it? And the 45 is 9 times 5. So there is also 9 in common. So we take the 9 out. 9 outside. Now, what will be left inside if we take the 9 and we take the C? We'll just have this nice 2 left here. Minus. We took the 9, we took the C. So we'll have 5D left. And that's your first mark. First 2 marks in the first question. That's very good. Now let's do question 2. Question 1 part B. Let's zoom in to make it better. Now the question says solve. When it says solve, it means find the value of x. From now on, if there is a denominator, get rid of the denominator. How do I do that? You multiply everything by the denominator. Now, the left side will be 6 times 5 minus 2x divided by 6 equals 6 3x minus 4. So I multiplied both sides by 6. I multiplied here and I multiplied there. Now this 6 will cancel that, which is very good. You will have 5 minus 2x left on the left side equals, now let's multiply the 6 inside here and there. 6 times 3x is 18x. 6 times 4 is 24. That's amazing. That's a lot of work. What do I do now? I'll make all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So I'll do plus 2x here, plus 2x there, to cancel this 2x. And I will also do plus 24, y, to cancel this 24. Now the x's are on one side and the numbers on the other side. On the left side, I just have 5 plus 24, which is 29, isn't it? And that's equals 18x plus 2x is 20x. To find x, we divide by 20. This 20 is cancelled. So now you have x equals, what's 29 divided by 20? I'll just write it as a mixed number. How many times 20 goes into 29? It goes 1 time. What's the leftover? 9 over 20. And that's your final answer. Before you go to the next question, check. Did the question ask you to give your answer to some decimal places or something? No. So you can just leave it like that. Now this is question